Hi everyone, this is your faculty Dr. Reshu Shukla. Dear students, today I'm here again with an important topic, and that is again from a BA 4th semester topic, that is Indian Literature in Translation paper. And today I'm going to discuss a very important unit again, that is unit 7 drama. And I'm going to take the topic from this unit is Mohan Rakesh Halfway House or the Aadhe Adhure. So 10 to 15 important questions are going to come in this section, and please, my suggestion here is again to please memorize them well, keep notes and also prepare well for the examinations. Let's start with the video. So as you can see on the slide, dear students, here we can see this course is Indian Literature in Translation, and we are going to cover the drama unit. The play is Halfway House, which is also known as Aadhe Adhure. This is the translation version of Aadhe Adhure by Mohan Rakesh, and the English name of this play is Halfway House. We are going to start with the first question here. The first question is, what is the central theme of Halfway House? So the answer is disintegration of a middle class family. You can see the options here: heroic adventures, disintegration of a middle class family, political corruption, mythological tales. So you have to opt the right answer, which is disintegration of a middle class family. That means कि जो middle class family में वहाँ पे एक तरीके से कोई भी यूनियन नहीं दिखाई पड़ रही थी और सब बहुत बिखराव, disintegration means बिखराव जो दिख रहा था. That is the option here. The second question is, who is the central female character in the Halfway House? So यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताते चलूँ कि अगर एक क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी पूछता है dear students कि who is the central character in Halfway House, then also your answer is going to be Savitri. So as you all know, Mahendranath is the husband, Savitri is the wife, and Ashok is the son, and Binni is the daughter. So Savitri is the main character. Next important question here is, dear students, how is Mahendranath, Savitri's husband, portrayed in the play? We know that he is a weak and ineffective character, and this is how play moves ahead, and most of the problems if we see in the play are aroused or created by his weak nature. So the answer is weak and ineffective. The fourth question here is, what does the title Halfway House symbolize? A place for heroes, an unfinished journey, a luxurious mansion, or haunted house. So the answer is B, an unfinished journey. Halfway house, as we can understand here only. Halfway, like something is in the middle or in the half. The next question is, which character represents innocence but is also affected by the family's turmoil? Turmoil means problems. So that is Kinni. Kinni is the answer, who represents the innocence but is also affected by that family's turmoil. Kinni is the daughter of the family. What socio-economic class does Halfway House primarily depict? The question number 6. So here we know very well that in this particular play we have seen the entire play is based on the middle class. So the play tells about the middle class story. So option right here is B. Question number 7, what is a recurring motive in the play that symbolize barrier and opportunities? So यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि क्या वो एक मोटिव है जो यहाँ पे एक सिम्बॉलिज की तरह दिखता है, कि एक सिम्बलाइज करता है कि जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं उनके लिए जो बैरियर है, जो कि प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करता है. सो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि जो वहाँ पे जो आसपास की चीज़ें हैं, यानी कि जो वहाँ का एक सेटअप है, उस सेटअप में कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि इस पूरे के पूरे प्ले का थीम को, मोटिव को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो डोर्स एंड विंडोज़ यहाँ पे इसको शो करते हैं. सो आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 8. हाउ डज मोहन राकेश develop the characters and theme in the play? So we can see the right answer is B, through realistic dialogues. यानी जब हम प्ले को इसको पढ़ते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमने देखा है कि डे टू डे की फील आती है. ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स दे आर स्पीकिंग टू ईच अदर, दे आर वेरी रियल. वी कैन फाइंड देयर प्रॉब्लम्स रियल, देयर स्ट्रगल्स रियल, देयर पेन इज रियल, एंड देयर हैप्पीनेस इज ऑल्सो, विच इज लाइक सैंडम. वी कैन सी happiness we did not see in the play though, but the problems and day to day things, everything we find it real in the drama. So the right answer is B. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 9, व्हाट डज सावित्रीज कैरेक्टर चैलेंज इन द प्ले। सो जो सावित्री का कैरेक्टर है, जैसा कि मैंने क्लास में भी आपको बहुत डिटेल में बताया था कि सावित्री का जो कैरेक्टर है वो सिंबलाइज क्या किया गया है, वो किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है। सो वो जो कैरेक्टर है वहाँ पे वो दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है कि वो चैलेंज करती है ट्रेडिशनल रोल ऑफ वुमेन, यानी जो सबमिसिव या बहुत ही एक डिवोटेड और एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट वुमेन का जो कैरेक्टर हम देखते हैं अपनी सोसाइटी के अंदर, जिसको रोल मॉडल कहते हैं। तो यहाँ पे सावित्री इज़ टोटली अगेंस्ट एंड शी इज़ लाइक वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, शी फाइट्स बैक विथ एवरीथिंग, she is very ambitious and she can compromise up to any level. So these are her characteristics and those does not really match with the traditional role of woman. Next, question number 10, how does the play Halfway House end? We have seen on an ambiguous note, यानी कि जब हम Halfway House को स्टडी करते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो जब वो एंड करता है, सो नथिंग इज एक्चुअली सेटल्ड डाउन, everything ends in the midst of happenings. So on an ambiguous means confusion या confusing note पे उसको ख़त्म करता है. 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, हु ट्रांसलेटेड मोहन राकेश प्ले आधे अधूरे इनटू इंग्लिश? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और मैंने आपको क्लास में भी बोला था कि दैट यू हैव टू मेक अ प्रॉपर नोट ऑफ इट. सो विक्रम के दास, द राइट आंसर इज बी. Question number 12, what is the English title of Mohan Rakesh play Aadhe Adhure? You have to keep this thing mind very properly, that Halfway House is the English translated version of your Aadhe Adhure. Next important question is, in which year was Mohan Rakesh play Aadhe Adhure first published? This is the first published we are talking about here. So that is 1965 and the question answer is B. 14, in which year was the English translation of Aadhe Adhure by Bikram K Das published? That is 1980 and the answer is again B. Question number 15, which prestigious award did Mohan Rakesh receive for his contribution to literature? So यहाँ ये बहुत important question है, this may definitely come in your examination. So Sahitya Akademi Award, and that is option number A. Question number 16, Mohan Rakesh is considered a pioneer of which movement in Indian literature? Pioneer means somebody who has introduced something, who has initiated something, or something is known by some person's name or work, that is known as pioneer. So pioneer का जो कि इन्होंने जो ट्रेडिशन शुरू किया था, that was modern Hindi drama. Like इन्होंने modern society, the development, the nuclear and the society के struggles and destructions and जो joint family के जो benefits थे and जो reasons दिए हैं उन्होंने, ये सारा इन्होंने modern एक spectrum create किया है, that is modern Hindi drama. So question number 17, in which year was Mohan Rakesh awarded the Sahitya Academy Award? ये बहुत important question है, 1967. So this was your video and related to 17 important questions, dear students. Again in the next video I'm going to cover 15 to 20 important questions from your next important topic. So till then, stay tuned with the video and hit the bell icon so that you can receive my videos whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, subscribe.